The Living Lab Animal Husbandry started in 2012 and is hosted by ILVO. ILVO is the Institute for Agriculture, Fisheries and Food Research in Flanders, Belgium. ILVO's research covers a wide range of rural and agricultural topics and has wide hands-on experience in setting up activities with a Living Lab approach. The Living Lab Animal Husbandry, which was officially launched in 2019, is active in the three main animal husbandry industries in Flanders, namely pigs, poultry, and cattle. The Living Lab covers a complete agri-food value chain from animal feed to processed food. The main goal of the Living Lab is promoting practice-oriented innovation in the pig, cattle, and poultry industry by co-creation, knowledge exchange, and controlled experiments in research facilities and commercial farms. Enhancing transfer of both scientific and tacit knowledge towards and between all stakeholders is essential for the competitiveness and sustainability of the Flemish livestock sector to adapt to environmental and societal challenges, for example, climate, health, and welfare. The Living Lab Animal Husbandry aims to connect all stakeholders of the animal husbandry industry, like farmers, agri-food industry, government, and consumers. Within the Living Lab Animal Husbandry, the Pig, Cattle, and Poultry Information Center play a central role. They act as an easily accessible contact, meeting, and communication platform, providing non-commercial information for all stakeholders and bringing together and integrating the needs of the stakeholders into future, practice-based, and demand-driven research and co-creation. The key tasks of the information centers are 1. Transfer of scientific research results and tacit knowledge through a vast number of communication channels and activities, ranging from traditional communication in press articles, workshops, and demonstrations, to more modern and digital channels, such as website, newsletter, video, social media, and webinars. 2. Answer questions of stakeholders. And 3. Capture needs in the field and adapt future research themes to these necessities in order to align them better with the challenges of the sector. In an open atmosphere of equality, stakeholders participate in the processes of exploring, co-creating, experimenting, and evaluating new opportunities, solutions, and concepts. The Living Lab Animal Husbandry has access to all research facilities and equipment of ILVO. This comprises modern and state-of-the-art research animal houses for pigs, poultry, rabbit, and cattle research, experimental or trial fields, and pilot halls with semi-industrial scale processing machines and labs. To test innovations and solutions intended for use in practice, experimental farms of the Living Lab partners and also commercial farms are important. This way, the Living Lab Animal Husbandry looks for synergies and efficient use of the available research capacities. To conclude, the Living Lab Animal Husbandry offers tailored advice to end users in the agri-food chain based on its state-of-the-art expertise. Through its operations and continuous interactions with end users, the Living Lab Animal Husbandry, and in particular the information centers, capture questions, challenges, and needs from the animal husbandry sector, bottom up, to improve the business operations and competitiveness both in agriculture and food. Co-creation, through an iterative design process involving end users, ensures a faster adoption of sustainable technology and innovations in practice, resulting in a higher degree of end user satisfaction, better fitting their needs and challenges in practice.